everyone, I hope you are all super well. In fact, I hope you're feeling the best that you've ever felt in your whole entire life today, because I have a huge, exciting, unbelievable, amazing announcement for you YouTube babies. My OGs, my day ones, the people who gave me life and soul in my body. Oh, cut to the chase, Flossie. I'm also staggering around because I've made such an effort for you today. I've got on heels. Can you see them? No, that's besides the point. It's the attitude and the presence it gives me. I launched a clothing line with Remas. 2 sets, 2 dresses, all my own designs. I cannot reiterate this enough. Like, it was my pencil on the paper. I'm gonna put on screen here the sketches and stuff, and it's just so fucking exciting. I'm not gonna lie, that I can show it all to you in the flesh today. This has been months on months on months of hard work, and honestly years dreaming in the making for me. Everything I'm gonna show you in this video is already live on the website. I'm gonna go through all the names, like all the really sentimental meanings behind them. I'll talk you through all the processes, and of course I will have links to everything down in the description box. Anyway, you've had enough of me, let's show you the clothes. This first dress here is literally the... What do the planets orbit around in the solar system? Me. They orbit around this dress now. This is the Flossie dress. This dress actually sold out in 2 days, I think. Yeah, pretty much 2 days on the launch. This stuff is hot property. I honestly cannot tell you if it's going to be coming back in stock. It's another really important thing to mention as well, that all of this is like limited stock. So if you want something, be really quick. So many of the sizes in stuff are going already, or we have really low limited numbers. Ida, can you stop chewing things? Mommy has to do this so that you can get a garden. Now let's hear it for the back of the dress. No, not the charger. If I put her outside, she'll be scratching on the door the whole time. The fit of this dress is just incredible. I'm so fussy. I know with so many other girls about my back profile. So having a square, sort of wide back, I think is so flattering. And the way that the stitches are done really cinches in your waist from the back, the side, the front. It was so important to me that we absolutely nailed this dress. You guys know a summer dress is just my staple uniform. I pretty much all year round wear this in the daytime with some like white chunky trainers or some white loafers like I love to. Hair down and curled maybe. And then at night time with some big earrings and some heels. I love wearing big white chunky heels with this. I love just wearing big white chunky shoes in general with my summer dresses because I feel like it kind of contrasts it a bit. Here's a close-up of the broderie anglaise. We went through so many different samples to get to this one I like. If you do want to stay in the loop about like whether there'll be a restock, I mean, I don't know. I haven't even spoken to the girls. Like, this hasn't even been raised. But just make sure to follow both me and Remas on Instagram. Woo woo woo. And if we don't have the lady in question trying to get into a bag of clothes here right now, this was that a whoa. He has no idea. You have no idea. Girls all over the country, maybe other countries, will be wearing an Ida set. That's pretty cool, dog. This set here is the Ida set. Of course, I had to name a set after my baby, my teeny tiny little sausage long girl of joy. She's currently kissing herself in the mirror. To be fair, I feel like if Ida was a set, she actually would be this one. I already knew that I wanted to name the sets after people, dogs in my life. It wasn't until I actually got the samples that I decided whose name I was going to assign to what piece. This set compromises of a top and a skirt, and the material of this, it's so stretchy but not a jersey stretchy. I think it's so sculpting on the body. I mean, it makes your waist look tiny, and we all know I have no bum, so of course I was going to introduce a skater low waist style into this collection. You can also move these pieces around a lot. I really don't like to have a lot of belly out. That's just not to my style. This was why we made the top a little bit longer lined, and once again, these straps on the shoulders are just the most flattering strap, along with the sort of straight neckline. It's really flattering on all different chest sizes. Once again, the straps come super wide at the back, which I think is so flattering. We added the white lace trim just to give it a little pizzazz. I love the contrasting of this. This actually has belt loops in it as well, because when we were doing the fittings, we were playing around with tying lace and and bows and ribbons in this. You guys know I love a bow, I love lace, I love ribbons, anything like hyper girly. There's so much freedom with this set. You can also mix and match like the top and the skirt with different things. I always think this would look amazing with a pair of really low-waisted, light wash denim baggy jeans. I'm talking huge jeans like crotch down at the knee, and some black little pointy shoes. Very sweet. I also want to mention here that all Remas is slow fashion, handmade in London. It's made using end-of-line materials, so it's so much better for the environment. This was one of the biggest reasons that I wanted to work with Remas. It's also all a pretty much female, young-led brand. I could not be more obsessed with the brand if I tried. I said this before in a previous video, but I've turned down ginormous deals because it was with fashion companies that didn't really align with my morals, or just didn't really align with me. If you're a super thought like me, I was wearing an extra small in the Flossie dress for reference, or an extra small in these skirts, and a small on the top. I had to bear in mind when designing everything that a lot of girls are going to be taller than I am, which is why we went for things being a little bit more long line with the choice to adjust them. I roll my skirt over a little bit like this sometimes if I'm on a night out and it's not going to be windy and it's not going to blow up and flash things that people don't need to see. Oh my god, I haven't tried the Emma skirt on in an extra small yet. I've actually been waiting to get my extra small package of skirts because I realized whilst I was on holiday that the small is just a tad too big for me. And what the are you shitting my dick? I'm a freaking idiot as well, and I'm so mad at myself. I gave my Emma top to one of my friends because they're going on holiday, so I don't have it. I'm gonna put a video in now of the full set with the Emma top, everything. We're just gonna pretend this is the Emma top. Although I do have to say, Remas sell a top which goes amazingly with this. This is the bell top, and I would wear it on camera, but there's a chance of a nip slip, and I'm just not having this video being taken down. Not today. This goes so sweet because obviously it's the white with the white. I also think the two different textures are really fun together. These bell tops are beautiful, by the way. I get so much wear out of them. You can see the broderie on the skirt here. I really wanted everything in broderie material. I think it just feels a lot more expensive. We did have a few samples where it was just white fabric, and the way that it fell on the body and just the whole vibe it gave wasn't everything. It's really important to me that clothes that I'm designing and also selling to you guys are really good. I really hope the fact that I haven't just churned out so many collections and deals, which that is so annoying, sorry, aren't good or don't live up to what they look like in the picture, will give you guys faith in me that these are genuinely my dream clothes. I can't believe like I'm even wearing this. Again, like the Ida skirt, it's got the little belt loops so you can tie ribbon, lace, anything you want. In the Emma top as well, there's a tiny little white bow here, and I saw one of you guys swap it out for a black bow. I am going to be stealing that. I think this with a really baby blue or like a baby pink, wear it so many different ways. We also put boning into the Emma top as well, so it's so beautifully structured. It holds your boobs up so well. I was actually a little bit reluctant when the girls suggested to try this set with a strapless top. We were going through so many different samples of the Emma set. They weren't really holding up, but when we put the boning into it, it's so supportive. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't have the biggest boobs in the world, but they need holding into place, if you know what I mean, like, woo! And of course the Emma set is named after my gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful mother. It's so special to me that I could name a set after her because obviously she's been so supportive. The Emma set is one for my summer babes, my summer dress girls. If you couldn't get your hands on the Flossie dress and you still want something from the collection, go for the Emma set. Last but very much not least, one for me sexy girl. This wonderful staple, cult, stretchy, comfortable spaghetti strap, ruffled, tiny little bows on the spaghetti straps because we're like that. This dress is the Anna dress, named after my wonderful sister. I feel like it's once again really fitting that this is called the Anna dress because mine and her styles are completely different, but we are both the best of friends. We love each other so much. Hence why this is the black kind of sexy dress, and then the Flossie dress is like the white summer dress. This dress I think was the last piece that we finalized. There was sleep lost over perfecting this. It's a double layered sort of mesh dress. If you can see here, there's a whole layer of mesh going over the top, which I find really flattering. So many of you guys know I really don't like tight dresses, which is why we made the skirt like a little bit more of an A-line skirt. The frills on this dress as well, just to get them the perfect frill, took so long. At first the mesh that we used was pretty thick and like a bit rigid. I wanted it to sort of just skim over the body a little bit more, so we went with a thinner one. The spaghetti straps as well, these are like some of my favorite straps ever on dresses because they're so thin and sort of barely there. I think they're really sexy and just flattering. The cups hold your boobs so good, if I do say so myself. You can also like, you know, oh Christ, thought maybe someone got a nipple out of there. There's a lot of leeway with this dress, and once again as well with the spaghetti straps, you could tie a little bow around them. Every single collection, every single piece in this collection, you can really make your own. This, like with these earrings and stuff, is just such a vibe. I love it. This is actually my boyfriend's favorite one, and I think most of my male friends' favorite one, probably because it is the tightest, but it's just sexy, fun, the sort of like rare side of Flossie. Ew, I am never ever ever doing that again. This collection is super size inclusive, running from sizes extra small to extra large. I want to say the biggest thank you to the Remass team. I feel like I've said it so many times, but I feel like I can never say it enough, for believing in me and working with me on this collection. And please, if you do get anything, make sure to send me pictures. I love seeing all you guys in it and the way that you guys wear it. It looks so good on everyone, and that was just my biggest goal. Like, I want you to feel so special in these clothes. They're not itty bitty, really unrealistic clothes to wear. They're staple, good quality, ethically made clothes that you can wear every single day. Dress up, dress down. Look, I'm rambling on. I love you all so much, and thank you to everyone who's watching this, because you give me the opportunity to do really cool things like this. Ida is massacring her bed all over my carpet. As I said before, I've got all the Remass links down below. Make sure to be quick because it's while stocks last. I love you all so much. Kisses, muchos besos. Mi abrazos. What does the mi abrazos bit mean? I don't know. I think it was just Lauren Geraldo used to say it all the time. Anyway, love you, bye.